Hi everybody, my name is Rishna. Today I'm going to teach you how to assemble a coloring puzzle. Thank you for joining us. If you know the trick of how to assemble a puzzle, you have to take out the edge pieces first. All the border pieces, then it's easier to work around the puzzle. So as you can see, we're almost complete with making the border of the jigsaw. And my jigsaw puzzle is going to be about a really spooky festival. Does anybody know what a spooky festival? Which spooky festival do we celebrate in October? Yeah, it's Halloween! And what do we get to see in Halloween? We get to see witches, we get to see pumpkins, we get to see spiders, we get to see... What do we get to see? We get to see some potion. Yeah, we have to cook the potion. Sometimes it can be really hard to find the piece. That is our last piece. Wow! Can you see how pretty our puzzle is? It's got a witch, a skull, some potion, a broom, and some more potion. Now that we've assembled our puzzle, it's time to fill some color in it. Make sure you don't leave any white spaces inside and you color in between the lines. Otherwise, your puzzle will not be complete. And we must assemble our puzzle before we color in, because otherwise all the pieces would be of very different colors. Together with the marker pens, I'm also going to use glitter glue. You have to squeeze the tube, not so hard, otherwise you'll have a big blob of glue. And now I'm going to use crayons. We can make our mat color orange. And try and color in one direction as well, so your puzzle has a nice finish. And you color carefully when you reach a line, so you're not coloring over something else. Now I still have to color the wall. And I think I will use color pencils now. Color green. Again, you have to color in the same direction and no leaving any white spaces, okay? For this wall, I think I'm going to use color peach. This is color peach. We have to try and color in one direction. Sometimes it can be hard because of a small space, and you can change. Now I'm going to turn my pencil a little bit so it's easier for me to color. Now our puzzle is complete. We've colored it in, we've assembled it, we've used all the different colors, and now we have to wait for the glitter glue to dry so that you can disassemble it and continue painting it. Don't forget to flip this side over and color the other side as well. Thank you.